Inflewence here, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to talk about Metal Cardbots. It's been taken over lately, and I just had no interest in it, and I didn't know what it was, so I just ignored it for a long time. But guess what? I got my first one here. Now this isn't I don't know yet, but we're gonna get into it because this is what the video is discussing. It's not a review. I just wanted to show you a review is coming though.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe. I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So first I want to say I'm not here to crap on it or crap on anybody that likes Metal Cardbots. I don't know if I like it or not yet. I can say I'm just going to discuss a little bit about it. Maybe people don't know what it is. It's actually a Korean cartoon. The information I found is it started in 2023, which is surprising. I didn't realize it was that new, but I want this to be a discussion in the comments also. I know there's a lot of people that's into it more than me. Like I said, I have my first bot now. I don't know what the lore is or what the draw is for it. I don't know if it's because some of the figures are big and have a lot of playability and they're cheaper than Transformers or what. I'm just not sure, because everything that I've seen, it just didn't really interest me. Now the lore is almost exactly like Transformers. Robots come to the planet. I watched the first episode. The cartoon is definitely kiddie. It reminds me of Rescue Bots from Transformers. I don't know if people remember that, or I don't even know. It might still be on. I just never could get into it. It was just too kiddie for me. And this cartoon is the same thing. I like to have some lore behind figures and behind stuff that I like, or I won't like it, or I won't participate in actively collecting it if I don't have a connection with it. Now, I've bought stuff in the past that I don't have connection with, or that's a little different than G1 Transformers or whatnot and things like that. And if it's a very good thing, whatever that thing is, sometimes I can look at it and say, oh, well, this is dope, and I keep it. Subscribe. Most of the time I don't, though. I need some connection. So I watched the first episode just to see if I could get that connection. I can't get that connection from that. I don't know if they have a comic. I haven't seen anything online. The lore, like I was saying, is just like Transformers. They come from another planet. I think their planet got destroyed. They're here now on Earth. The one thing is, I don't think nobody knows why they're Earth vehicles. Like, I don't think they fleshed that out too much. At least the one episode I saw, I don't think it's explained. Like in Transformers, it's explained that they were regular, Cybertronian vehicles that were different. And then they went out, y'all know the lore. They went out and looked for Earth vehicles to disguise themselves. Now, these robots do disguise themselves as Earth vehicles, but like I said, there's no explanation. So there's a few, I'm gonna put on the screen. Just a few of the figures that are out. Not all of them. There are a lot of figures. And yeah, for me, it's no contest between the two. I compare things. So this is what I'm comparing. Like I said, I'm not crapping on it. I'm not crapping on the people that love it or collect it. I'm just saying, for me, there's no comparison between Transformers and Metal Cardbots. Like it's just not, and that's just my opinion. But I also can see the value in other things, and I will try to figure out the value of other things. Easy to transform, or they look pretty easy to transform. And while that's cool for playability, me personally, I like a little more challenging figure. Not as challenging as some masterpiece figures are. Some are just unenjoyable with their challenges, but everybody's different, because I like a lot of figures that people say are unenjoyable to transform. I like transforming them. I like figuring them out. I like doing that. So some of the transformations that I've seen, I haven't watched much because I am going to do a review on this, which is the only reason I got it is because I saw that I liked the way the figure looked more so than any of the other ones, and it was cheaper than a lot of the other ones. So I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. I think I paid $70 for this. But I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money for something that I don't know if I'm gonna like or even keep. I did order it from Amazon just in case. I will send it back if I don't like it, if I'm not going to keep it. Or maybe I'll give it away. I don't know. I might give it away if I don't want it, if I don't like it. You know, just the farther people that do like it, maybe they would want it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see during the review. Like I said, I haven't watched a lot of stuff like as personal stuff, people doing reviews and things, just because for one, I don't like watching that stuff to review. I don't like watching that stuff before I review something. So I definitely didn't watch any of this guy's. I don't even know this guy's name. They also, that's the other thing, they have like generic names sometimes, and I don't want to say uncreative names, but yeah, I don't see this guy's name because I think it's in Korean. I don't know if that's Korean or English, or am I having a seizure? I think it's Korean, but it's in a weird font. So it kind of looks like it could be English, and then it says Metal Cardbots underneath, I guess, so you know. But there's like 2 lines each text, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know this guy's name. But with that said, I'm going to do a review, and I was saying I didn't watch anything because I didn't want to be tainted in my review. I really need hands-on to figure out. Like, I don't use reviews the same as some people. Like, some people use reviews to figure out their purchases, which is fine. And I think that's one of the ways that you should use reviews. But I don't do that because I don't know a figure. Like, I get a roundabout idea of a figure with a review, but I never know how I'm gonna like it. One of the other things that I don't know the draw. I said that before, but that's the thing. Like, when I was seeing this stuff, I see some people talk about, like, there was a few people I've seen just in the community that didn't like certain Transformers, and then picked up these and like aspects of these that were on those certain Transformers. So I'm not sure if with those people is just the price. I know Transformers is getting crazy with the price. I suspect some of it is the price combined with playability. I think they're looking at the value that you get, because I did see some big figures that were, you know, around $130 or $140, which I wouldn't pay. Well, I'm not going to say that yet. That's a definitive statement. I was going to say I wouldn't pay that for these figures, but that's just looking at them from the outside in, not having hands on. So I'm really excited to get hands on with this. I just wanted to talk about it a little bit before I do the review. This won't be, or it may be a start of something. I don't know. I'm kind of hoping not, but I'm hoping it's good. So, I mean, it like I said, it may be something else, just something else. But I doubt it. I doubt it because I need the lore. The reason I'm into Transformers is because of the actual lore. Like, growing up as a kid, it being in my psyche for so long, like that, all of that plays into my collecting. Like, I'm just not a collector that just collects stuff just to collect it. I see cool stuff all the time, and I'm like, I feel a draw to buy it, but I just don't, like, it doesn't give me the satisfaction that other IPs give me, such as Transformers and Voltron and stuff that I grew up on as a kid that is just embedded in me as a person. I want to continue this discussion in the comments for anybody that knows more than me, which is probably everybody that collects Metal Cardbots. Leave me something or maybe explain why you actually like Metal Cardbots, and that may give me a better idea of what's going on. All right, so look out for the review of this figure, and I'll get over with you in the next one. Peace.
You know, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.